Welcome to our video, where we dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Hyundai Sonata, a car that's redefining the midsize sedan segment with its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. The Sonata has long been a favorite among drivers, and the 2025 model continues to build on its legacy with significant updates that make it a standout in its class. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Hyundai Sonata is its stunning exterior. Hyundai has embraced a futuristic design language with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a streamlined silhouette that gives the car a sporty yet sophisticated look. The newly redesigned rear, with its full indicted LED taillights and aggressive bumper, adds to its appeal. It's a car that demands attention on the road, blending elegance with modernity. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that offers comfort and advanced technology in equal measure. The interior of the 2025 Sonata is a blend of premium materials, ergonomic design, and cutting-edge features. A large, curved infotainment display integrates seamlessly with the digital driver's display, offering easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Hyundai's latest version of their infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded voice recognition system that makes interacting with the car effortless. Ambient lighting and customizable seating options enhance the overall driving experience, making it a perfect choice for daily commutes and long journeys. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Sonata offers a variety of powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The base model is expected to come with a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, while higher trims might offer a more powerful turbocharged 2.5-liter engine for those who crave extra performance. Hyundai is also focusing on eco-friendly options, with a hybrid model expected to provide impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The Sonata's smooth handling, precise steering, and advanced suspension system ensure a comfortable and engaging drive. Safety is another area where the 2025 Hyundai Sonata excels. Equipped with Hyundai's Smart Sense suite of driver assistance features, the car includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision avoidance. These features are designed to provide peace of mind and help drivers navigate busy roads with confidence. Hyundai continues to prioritize safety, ensuring the Sonata is among the safest vehicles in its category. Now let's talk about pricing. While Hyundai hasn't officially announced the exact pricing for the 2025 Sonata, it's expected to start at around $26,000 for the base model and go up to approximately $36,000 for fully loaded trims, including hybrid variants. This competitive pricing makes the Sonata an attractive option for anyone looking for a well-rounded midsize sedan with modern features and a stylish design. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata is a car that offers something for everyone. Whether you prioritize style, technology, performance, or safety, this sedan delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a vehicle that combines practicality with innovation, the 2025 Sonata is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check it out at your local dealership when it arrives later this year, and stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official launch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content.